Hi, I'm Mike from White Rhino, and today we're going to show you how to use the Handheld Diagnostic. When using the diagnostic tool, we're simply checking for any errors, making sure everything is functioning at 100%. We can add speed codes, check your F&R switch, throttle position, serial number, things of that nature. We can do everything from this computer. We do this on your yearly annual inspection as well. Here we can see the system information of the golf cart. You can set different parameters. Here you can see the speed code is already in there because of the little red mark there, the asterisk or whatever it is. We have a live monitor, so it can currently monitor the throttle, for instance. You see it's at 0%, and as I press on the gas, it will climb up all the way to 100. As I press on the gas pedal. Let's see. It just gives you all the information, anything you need to know. Key input, forward, reverse, for instance. It's on, off, just live data. And then down here is where we're at. Present history, present errors. We want present errors. All right, good, there's no present errors. You can also see fault history. You can see, they're If you're experiencing trouble with your golf cart, bring it in. We'll have one of our service technicians run a diagnostic test on it and find out what's wrong with it. Be sure to follow us for more videos.